Good afternoon, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we're taking just a quick moment to highlight this 2010 Nissan Titan that just arrived. And we are at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. And when you arrive, see that beautiful flag, patriotic horse, you are at Prestige. Like I said, this is a 2010 Nissan Titan, has the upgraded LE package, has about 95% tread on those radials, leather, cold air conditioning, big back doors, factory tow package. This 2010 was driven about 11,000 miles a year, and the body is just as nice as you see. Look at that tread.
They were glory confused, and because they were also glory.
Cold air conditioning, steering wheel controls,
They desperately needed a
leather, power sliding rear window.
Did they ever get one?
Carpet's
And
in
after
great
6
shape.
days, Jesus took him with Peter and James.
Leather has reasonable wear. Steering wheel controls.
Transfigured before them, his face shone like the sun. His clothes became white as light. And behold, there appeared to them Moses and Elijah.
So we have some great national lenders, fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris Credit for families with new or rebuilding credit. So we've got trucks with 15, 20, 30,000 miles. And then we've got some trucks for somebody that's looking for their first truck, or somebody that would rather spend in the teens for a truck instead of the 30s, 40s, up to 70, 80s, wherever they go nowadays. 2010 Nissan Titan, full-size truck, factory tow package, V8, driven about 11,000 miles a year, and just as clean as you see. We've got financing, love trades, open Monday through Saturday from 9 to 6, and we buy nice vehicles but not to keep. And we'd be honored to have the opportunity to serve your family. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.